playtime. All of the students are happy because it is playtime now. It is their favorite time of the day. Aiden and Jasper are playing with blocks. They are building a big castle. Emily is at the play kitchen. She is making yummy food for her friends. Mia is sitting in her seat. She is reading a storybook. Everyone is having a great time.
Thank you.
Thank you.